the latest Thunderbolt technology, giving you top-tier connectivity in a full-featured Belkin charger cable. Also find a passive Thunderbolt 4 cable available in 1 3.3 feet length. Single cable solution. Our Thunderbolt 4 charging cable supports data, power video, a one-cable solution for your power hub, MacBook Pro, or any other compatible device. Thunderbolt certified. This Thunderbolt 4 USB-C to USB-C cable, compatible with Thunderbolt 3, USB 4, USB 3.2, USB 2.0, provides fast data transfer and charging capabilities. Lightning fast speeds. This 6.6 feet active Belkin reversible Type-C to Type-C cable supports up to 40 gigabits per second, a bandwidth 8K video at 30 Hz, move data faster than ever. Up to 100 W power delivery. Access up to 100 W with our power delivery enabled cable for a fast charge to your connected devices. Power laptops, smartphones, tablets, more. Top reviews from the United States. Works for 4K 144 Hz monitor with Mac Studio. I use this cable on my Mac Studio Max with the Sony InZone M9 4K monitor. Unlike either the HDMI or DP cable, I was able to get 4K 144 Hz. One reviewer mentioned that the USB-C head was loose. It's true. You probably want to tie it down with a Velcro.